Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to clear your browser cache. You know, sometimes you can do something, then the issue can be fixed, then but in your own browser the issue is still there because of what? Because of the cache. So once you clear the cache, everything's gonna be fine. You know, sometimes someone can help you on fixing some IT problems. Then after I say do that, before you do that, or before you do ABC, you must clear your browser cache. And sometimes you don't know what to do and where to go. So we're gonna start with the famous Google Chrome browser. So let me open Google Chrome. When you're in Google Chrome, what do? Steps are very simple. What do? You click on that menu. There is a menu here. Okay, then on that menu it's gonna give you what they call more tools. You click on that. Then on more tools they say clear browser data. You get me? So what do? Do you clear it, or what do you do? So it depends on which version of Chrome you're using. But the one we're using now in this year, you just click the way I told you to click, then you go to more, then you click clear data, browsing data. Once you click yes, it's gonna give you browser history, clear history, and auto completions in address bar. 1, 2, cookies and other site data. 3, cache images and files. Free up less than 1 megabyte. Some sites may load more slowly on your next visit. I believe you can do this. Is so important, this one. So you know, when you visit a website, what happens? Sometimes they save the files in your browser. So when you visit that website for the next time, because most of the images are downloaded on your browser already, so it becomes the website's gonna be faster to load rather than the new website you never visited before. So this is why they're telling you that some sites will be loading slowly on your next visit. So think of what to do. If you wanna delete that also, it can work for you. If you want to do that, if you don't want to do that, then it's fine. So you say clear data. Once you've done that, then you are ready to go. Everything is fine for you to do. So once you've cleared that, then it's fine. So now they can sometimes give you 1 month, 2 months, like whatever, all time, whatever, all those things they give them to you. But you know, always check down, always this, you go to the same thing. So now it said the last 1 hour, that's what I default, but then you can select 24 hours, 7 last days, last week. I say all time. So if you click on all time, it's gonna delete all time. You get me? So okay, once you're done with that, you just know that you manage now to do what? To delete them. You can look into also cookies and security. All that you can, that can help you also to get better stuff. So on that, we're done with that. So we can go to the next browser, which is gonna be Firefox. I'm gonna go to Firefox. Then we do what? Then we do that also. So then we click on Firefox for desktop. Desktop, you can, let me see, do I have Firefox? Yes, I think I have it. You can click here, and then on Firefox, what is next? You know the menu, that menu. You click on library, so you can click on that menu, which is 3 bar here. Then you click on library. Okay, once you're into library, what's next for you? what next is gonna be history. After history, then clear recent history, then today, whatever you select what you want. Okay, let's do that. Let's do libraries and we do history. Wow, recently closed, show all history. They show everything here. So this is where you do your things here. So okay, I was on this website, was on this, October. You can select which month you want to delete, 7 days, last day, today. You do the same thing as we did in that okay, then you say, then you delete. I don't want to delete these because I'm using much Firefox, but then it can tell you yesterday, 2 days ago, whatever. That's the way you do. So you can see all the history. So also it gives you a lot of things. So guys, that's the way they do that. You saw where we went, though I showed all history. You go to library, history, then say show all history. If you want to say recent closed, you can do that, or recently closed tabs, you can do that if you want to. So that's the way to do that, guys. If I pick that, yeah, whatever you do depends on what you want, but that's the procedure to show you that. So when you're on mobile, also on mobile it could be a little bit different, but follow the same procedures I've showed you here. But if you on Chrome mobile, you do the same thing, everything is the same thing. But on Chrome mobile, you go to history. After history, then you can show you everything, then you start deleting what you want to delete. You get me? All data, images and all that. That's what I can show. So now we're not on mobile, we can't show you that. That's why we're trying to show you that you can do that also on mobile. In that case, you are using Chrome for mobile. So you can also do those things in different browsers, but now we covered only that. We didn't cover much. Microsoft Edge also, you can do that. In Edge, I wonder if you are using Edge, you can go to settings. You get me? You can also, it also has 3 dots. You can go to settings, then in settings you go to choose what to clear. Then after there you say cache data and files, you select tabs, whatever, all that, then you say clear. It will give you, it's not like other browsers, it's gonna give you clear. So in Safari also they do that, but now we don't have those 2 browsers. We're just saying that you can, but also they have what they call preferences. On Safari, you click on Safari, then you click on preferences, then you say advanced, then it's gonna show you after year, whatever, then you click and delete whatever you want to delete. You get me? So those are one of the major browsers we do what we do really find like it's necessary to cover them, and a lot of people want to know what to do on what deleting browser, whatever. Also Safari on mobile, also you can do that. Yeah, the procedure there, sorry about that, you just go to settings and say Safari, and there you say clear history and website data. I think that can be understood with people who are using Safari on mobile. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and for Azania tutorials. We would like to thank you for being with us, and if you have any other tutorial you want us to cover, please talk to us. We're gonna do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.